Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks.
Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to apply or change wallpaper of your Android mobile. To change wallpaper of your Android mobile, first of all go into your mobile setting. Now you have to click on wallpaper and themes. Now after clicking on wallpaper and themes, you have to select below wallpaper. So after clicking on wallpaper, there will be some wallpaper loaded on your mobile phone. So you have to click on top. Now you have to download any one of them which is free, and you can also select paid from here. You can select paid from here. If you select paid from here, all the you have to buy wallpapers. So if you want free wallpapers, click on paid or free. Now after clicking on free, you will see many wallpapers here. So if you have to download it in your mobile, and then you have to apply to your in your mobile. So first of all, as I have downloaded this app, this wallpaper, now I have to apply it on my mobile. So wait for a minute to download it. Now I have to click on apply. Now after clicking on apply, uh, this wallpaper will look like this. So after click on done. Now wallpaper have been changed. So like this you can change your mobile's wallpaper. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this.